you. Hope all is well. This is your girl Chalee, your life insurance life coach. I turned this video on because I got an inbox message from a young lady who wanted to know if she could take out some insurance on her grandmother. So I thought this would be a good time for me to share this information with you and those of you who are probably helping your grandparents and you recognize your grandparents don't have any life insurance, and what could you do about it, right? So this is a great question. First of all, your grandparents, your grandmother, your grandfather, they have to know, they have to be okay, and especially if they're in their right mind, to agree to this, that they feel like they need an insurance policy, right? And if that's the case, because they're going to be interviewed by the carrier, whichever carrier is that's going to be chosen, and it's going to be based on your grandmother's current health needs and questions such as, has she been in the hospital in the last 2 years, and if she had, what was it for? So because I work with 40 different insurance carriers, this is the questions that's going to be asked to your grandmother is going to weed out which company that I would be able to suggest that we could write her with, as well as, based on her budget. These policies are senior policies, and they are fully underwritten, right? So these speak especially to seniors. And so there is no need to have no type of medical exam or anything like that, because the insurance company have what is called an MIB, Medical Information Bureau. So, and once the medication and whatever illnesses that your grandmother currently possess, that's how we're going to know which insurance provider is going to work and that's going to fit for your grandmother. And these type of policies are no cash bucket, so it's nothing that's going to allow anyone. I hear people say they're not going to get rich off of me. Well, these policies have limits. So from 1,000 to 40,000, and then that's also going to be based on their age. So I could write someone up into the age of 85, right? So I can help you. If your grandparents is within that age range from 50 to 85, then I should be able to find them something that's going to be affordable and comfortable for your grandmother, right? So I just wanted to share that with you. Yes, and if you can be your grandmother's beneficiary, if your grandmother has chosen you to be her beneficiary, then you'll be able to the policy will pay within 48 hours, 100% of the death benefit to you, the beneficiary, once a death certificate has been produced. Okay, so I hope this answered your question. If you have any other questions that you're curious about and you're trying to help a family or a loved one, don't hesitate to give me a call. I put my link in the description box below. Reach out and let's take care of what's important to you and as well as your family. All right, this your girl Chalee, your life insurance life coach, answering a question: can I get insurance on my grandmother or grandparents? All right, we'll talk soon. Stay safe.